How to change name in Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Vesnan, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your name easily on Facebook. Now changing name on Facebook is quite simple and quite easy, but first you want to make sure that you're updated to the latest version since the options have changed after the update. So make sure that you're updated to the latest version. Once you're updated, you want to open up Facebook and you want to make sure that you're logged into your account. You want to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen and then head into settings there by tapping on the settings of the gear icon. Under here you'll find the very first option that says account center. You want to head into the account center option. Once you tap on it, you'll see the profiles option there. You want to tap on it and you want to choose your Facebook profiles. Now you can see I have multiple accounts connected, so it's asking me to choose, so I'll just choose my Facebook account, and you can see the name option. You want to simply tap on name and you want to simply tap on the name that you wish to change. You can delete your previous name, tap on it and cross them, and you can edit your name and simply tap on review change at the bottom, and if the name change is available, then you'll be able to change the name. So this way you can change name in Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.